Alright, we're going to do an unboxing, but you guys haven't seen this yet. This is a working mat that's heat resistant up to like 850 degrees. Silicone insulated mat. So, I believe this is a Variac. Let me put the camera down. Alright, I'm going to open this up. One of my very few unboxings. Which is kind of funny because I posted an unboxing yesterday. This is a pretty nice Variac that's in here. It's a new one, but it's like a really nice new one. Got extra fuses. This is a Variac. Looks like they packed this really well. I'm gonna save the box like how you see me saving the boxes from the 50s. Oh yeah. It is made in China, but it should be pretty good. Let me get this out quick. Alright, the packaging smells a little bit like mothballs. But here we go, we got it out. This is something that I've really been needing. It will make my working a lot safer. Before I thought about using a potentiometer, but that's more so for the DC stuff. Let me get this undone. Alright, we got that undone. So this one's got a meter on it. There's the model. It has one outlet, fuse with extra fuses. One of those. And the machine itself can go up to 130. Should bring up a radio on this. Let me get a radio on this. Alright, what more perfect radio than this thing? Okay. Bringing it up on the Variac. I already know that this radio should work. Okay, let's see what our meter is reading. Alright, we got tubes glowing. Oh, there we go.
A team of reporters around the country
Look at that.
And the world. We give you the coverage you can trust. George Bush, Barack Obama, Donald Trump. What do they have in common? Besides
Nothing.
The presidency and their meetings in the White House Situation Room, a conference table adorned with elegant... It's your digital destination for local news, sports, contests, and more.
So, it works. So apparently the meter can get a little bit off. Once you get up into the higher voltages, but other than that, you can blast 130 volts through something. Alright, thanks for watching this unboxing video. This should be the last of the unboxings for a while. It's definitely not the last of the show and tell videos, though. I still got a couple of those waiting from my birthday. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.